On January 1st, 2026, Arkansas State Police were alerted that Truman Police Department was pursuing a stolen vehicle out of Jonesboro, traveling northbound on Interstate 555. Trooper Christopher Davenport repositioned and took over as the lead unit near the 42-mile marker, where he observed the suspect vehicle fleeing at speeds over 100 miles per hour.
What's your call? I'm coming up to weather. Going on the oncoming traffic west on Highland, coming up to Caraway.
Cutting through the parking lot.
They just pulled into the parking lot. Old Navy. Yeah. Like teams got lead. I'm the radio now. Simple. Go back from Caraway northbound.
After continuing to drive recklessly through city streets and into oncoming traffic, The pursuit came to an end when Trooper Brian Merrill performed a successful tactical vehicle intervention, disabling the vehicle after it struck a curb. Assisting agencies conducted a felony takedown, and both the driver and passenger were taken into custody without further incident. On March 2nd, 2025, Trooper Surratt heard radio traffic from the Rogers Police Department regarding a black passenger car that had fled an attempted traffic stop, driving with its lights off and into oncoming lanes. After Rogers Police terminated their pursuit, Trooper Surratt located a black Toyota Corolla matching the description on Interstate 49, traveling at 98 miles per hour. When the vehicle exited and suddenly accelerated again, the trooper initiated a pursuit as the suspect fled through city streets at extreme speeds.
Hey, request me.
Well, you had go ahead and request. Didn't count. Wrong Champions Drive.
Yeah, you got the 28, you can proceed.
No, not yet.
Are you still chasing?
Yeah. Yeah, we're in this race. We're in Champions. Like.
It's what's Champion. In that area, I'm not sure exactly where right now. Just let me know about it.
Yeah, Temple, we're still in pursuit.
Definitely still eyes on.
Yeah, Temple.
Temple. I think I got it. What's your 20?
We're about to come back out on Pauline Whitaker. 45. We're about to come back out on Pauline Whitaker.
Temple about to exit Pauline Whitaker. Should be around Pauline Whitaker. Temple, we're still on board.
He's going the wrong way on Pauline Whitaker.
Temple, wrong way on Pauline Whitaker. Listening to your traffic, they have you in the room.
We're headed back north on 52nd now. still the wrong way. He almost hit Rogers. TBI. Unsuccessful, still rolling. TBI.
The suspect continued driving recklessly through residential areas, sidewalks, and medians, striking signs and nearly colliding head-on with a marked police unit. After an initial unsuccessful attempt, Trooper Surratt executed a second tactical vehicle intervention, disabling the car after forcing it over a curb and into street signs. The driver fled on foot but was apprehended by Rogers police, while a female passenger was treated for minor injuries. The vehicle was later confirmed to be stolen.